Hello, and I'm really glad you clicked this video, because you're about to find out if Windows 10 is right for you or not. Okay, so Windows 10 is the next installment of Windows! Surprise, surprise! And I've been using it for about a month now, because they had the insider preview. You can just go download it and be a technical insider, and you can like test it out and stuff. So this is the final build. And this is the release date, July 29th, so it's the first day it's out. Now, if you want Windows 10, you're going to see an icon like this on Windows 7 or 8.1, if you own 7 or 8.1, and it'll be like this, but it'll be white, and it'll be down here in the taskbar. You just got to click on that, and then reserve your copy, and then you'll go through Windows Update, the Windows Update Center. I hope you're familiar with that. And you can just install from there. It'll install, it'll download, it'll install, and you'll have your same exact desktop, only it'll be Windows 10. So you'll have all your programs and stuff. Like, this is all my leftover desktop from Windows 7 when I upgraded about, like 4 weeks ago. So, yeah, Windows 10. The first thing you're going to notice when you boot up Windows 10 is this bar right here. Now, this is Cortana, probably the biggest addition, even though it doesn't really do much. I'm not gonna lie there. Cortana isn't actually. I just don't. It could be that I just don't know her commands yet, but all she really is good for right now is just opening stuff. So like I can have her do. Well, I mean, okay, you can search for anything, like programs. So let's see. Let's search Adobe, and there's all the Adobe stuff. It's really fast, so that's nice. Now we can search for a game. Let's see. Let's search for oh god, what games do I have that I can? Minecraft. Just do it. There's my Minecraft Windows 10 edition and some folders that I've found. Now, yeah. So, I mean, whenever I have to search stuff, I just go there, or you can just have Cortana search something. Oh, I said, hey, Cortana. But yeah, you say, hey, Cortana. Okay, it doesn't want to do it now. But yeah, you can voice activate it, even though, albeit the voice activation is kind of sketchy, it doesn't always work. So if you're gonna do voice, I would just say, click the start listening button. Open Xbox.
Sure thing. Here's
So,
Xbox.
yeah, she can open apps, and that's nice. So this Xbox app is another big addition to Windows 10. It's a Windows Store app, and the first thing you're going to notice is, since it's a Windows app, it doesn't open in full screen in Windows 10. If you're familiar with the apps in Windows 8, they would always bring you to a completely another screen and force full screen on you. I thought that was really stupid and only good for tablets. That's why not many people liked Windows 8, because it was only optimized for tablets. It was like tablet UI on a PC, and that's why I personally didn't like it, and a lot of other people didn't like it that I know. So this is the Xbox app, and if you didn't know already, if you didn't watch E3 at all, Windows 10 is going to be almost seamlessly integrated with Xbox One and your Xbox Live. And now, I'm not an Xbox guy. I used to be. I had a 360 and I had a live account, but that's long gone. My 360's red ringed and I don't really go on anymore. So this is my profile, and the first thing it boots me up in the Xbox app here is my news feed, because I didn't know they added this. They must have added this with Xbox One, but I can see, because PS4 has a similar thing, only it's like game specific. Like you go between the games, and when you scroll over a game in your library, it'll be like, oh, activity from friends, and like achievements and videos and screenshots from your friends. So yeah, this is apparently a news feed for all the games that my friends have been doing. So achievements, screenshots, Epic Raider, and yeah, here's a clip. If you can play a clip right from the PC. It's a bunch of teabagging. And I've already gone through and I've liked, so you can like stuff, you can share stuff on your feed, and you can send a message to someone, so that's really cool. Now, what you can do is you can connect to your Xbox One if you have one, and you can actually stream your games to the Windows 10 here. Now, I don't have an Xbox One, so I wouldn't be able to show you this, but you're able to stream games and play with an Xbox controller on your PC screen. Now, you can't play with a keyboard and mouse. It's not like streaming like game to your PC to play on your PC. It's using your PC as a screen. So if you really want, if you don't have a monitor and you just have like your Xbox next to you, you can stream it to your PC and play it from there. But so this is probably the biggest, one of the bigger features in Windows 10. The game DVR now extends to Windows 10. So on this PC, I deleted all these, all my previous clips to show you this fresh. So this is the game DVR. What this is when you open a game in Windows, it will, actually I'm going to go Minecraft Windows 10 edition. Now when you open a game in Windows, you can open up something called the game bar by hitting Windows G. Or that Windows Alt R to start and stop recording. But I like to open up the game bar, and this is an overlay for your games. You can move it around. And this is directly tied with the Xbox app. So you hit Xbox, it'll bring it to here. Ooh. I'm gonna open the volume mixer real quick. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But, I don't know, that was weird, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to turn the volume down here. Okay, that was getting really loud for me. But, here we have Windows 10 edition, and we can just hit, Windows key G and hit the start recording. We can take a screenshot, boom, screenshot saved. Start recording. We can just, and then you've got a little recording timer up here. We can play. I started a world in here. Now this is basically, I mean, I would not ever play the Minecraft Windows PC over the Windows 10 edition. Like I'd always play the regular one because this is basically just Windows Pocket Edition on PC. That's literally what this is. If you look at this, it's so, like, I don't even know. It's basically tablet edition on PC. It's, yeah. So yeah, you can do this. You can move it around, full screen it. Oh, and apparently it stopped my recording when I full screened it. So that's a thing to note. So, and you notice these things popping up to the side. You actually have a notification center for Windows 10 now. I'm going to go back to that in a minute after I show you the game DVR here. Now I have the game DVR's settings set to the highest right now. So if we go here, I can, it's Windows 10 is signed in with my live Xbox gamer tag, which is interesting. But I can go here, I can do all this stuff on Xbox even though I'm on PC. I can rename open folder, and I can just click it. And it's asking me what I want to open it with. I don't know why. I think it should know. Oh, that was my screenshot. I'm stupid. But yeah, that was the screenshot. So here's the video. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. So yeah, you can even either open it up through the Windows app, or you could open it up through here. The video player in here, and it just shows me going through blah, 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 30 frames a second. You can trim, share, delete, blah. All that stuff. So that's the Windows game bar and the Xbox thing. Now, another thing to really note about the Windows apps is they're really quick. Like, they've got the Photos. The Photos app is like redone. You've got the share. It's all really redone and simplified. So you can rotate, trash. You can do all this stuff. Set as lock screen, set as background. So it's really easy. They're really pushing to make it able to work on touchscreen and PC, but they're not trying to screw it up like they did with Windows 8, where it was like only touchscreen controls and you're just operating with a mouse. So that was really stupid. So here's the Windows. I think they call it the Windows Action Center. Yeah, it's the Action Center, and this is where it kind of integrates the mobile experience with the desktop experience. Because I actually find this useful for the desktop sometimes, because you'll get little notifications down here for different miscellaneous stuff that happens on your PC, and it'll categorize it under Xbox and whatever. So it'll ask me how likely are you to recommend Google Chrome to a friend or colleague, and like that's just a survey. But here's a screenshot saved. You click on it, it'll bring up the screenshot. There it is. So that's really, oh my gosh, a man is skateboarding down my block with a bucket, a bright white bucket hat. Okay, well, yeah, so there's that. That's really cool. So the volume, then you got the volume mixer to redesign. Oh, there's another man with a backpack. I'm so being distracted. I'm sorry. So yeah, Windows Store, all that stuff. What else is there? Oh, Start menu. Start menu here is drastically changed. As you can see, it kind of integrates a little bit of the Windows 8 Start apps along with the Start menu from Windows 7 that we're all familiar with. You can still do a search by typing stuff in. So you've got some stuff hardwired into the menu like this File Explorer, Settings, and Power. But you can always unpin and do whatever you please. Disconnect network drive, map network drive. So these are like I don't know what those are actually. I'm not gonna mess with those. But yeah, you've got those settings, and then you've got quick access to other settings here. So this is the new unified like settings thing. You can still access the control panel and such, but this is just easier for people who don't like to go all technical. You can just go system, do all the stuff, apps and features, terminating apps, sizes. So these are all like the Windows 10 apps you have installed, and programs. I guess this is also a program manager. They just call it apps and stuff. Multitasking. This is your mouse and tablet mode. More touch friendly when using your device as a tablet. Yeah. Power and sleep. Storage. Nice storage. Offline maps for like mobile. Default apps. You can set your default apps all from one area. I just have my default web browser set as Google Chrome, and about a bunch of other stuff here. Windows 10 Pro product ID. So something another huge addition is Internet Explorer. Now, Internet Explorer is actually not in Windows 10, but it's replaced with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a huge, unprecedented improvement over Windows Internet Explorer, because you got I'm gonna do side-by-side comparison to Google Chrome here. You've got a nice sleek UI that blends with Windows 10 really well. You got settings. Now, I'm personally going to stick with Chrome, but you've got a lot of nice settings for people who were just using like Windows Internet Explorer because they didn't know any better. So they're going to have something a lot easier to use. So you can hear Google.com loads up super, super quick, like unbelievably quick. And you don't have to wait 10 years for it to load. It's like as fast as Chrome. It's crazy. Let's try to go, what's a site? I'm trying to think of a site with a lot of... Oh yeah, let's just... yeah, it's got a Bing. It's got a Bing default search engine. You could choose a theme, light or dark. Bing, add new. You can add your new. Google, add as default. Now you can just... There we go. So I honestly don't know what I just clicked on. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm clicking on. But yeah, Edge is super fast, great alternative to Chrome if you want to use that. So, I think there's one more thing that I am... Aha! Another feature that's really, really interesting, I have to say, is the feature to have multiple desktops. Now, I think this feature is already in the Mac, but I am not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure it is in the Mac already, though, because what we can do here, we can open up Chrome, pop it down there. Let's say I want to play Minecraft, and watch YouTube at the same time. So I can do like watch Zach Scott. Let's say I want to watch Zach Scott play Splatoon. Launch it into theater mode. And have Minecraft, the Minecraft version that I actually play. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, full screen. Let's say the Minecraft version I actually like play. Down here. Or okay, maybe it won't snap. But I'm taking way too much time setting this up. So yeah. Why am I doing all this time setting up? Okay, so yeah, Minecraft down here. Yeah, all this stuff. So yeah, blah blah blah. Why am I'm sorry. So now you can just go here and you have all the windows that are open, right? So we can hit new desktop and we can click on desktop 2 and it's completely fresh. And we can open up some FL Studio. And we can load up my project that I have here. My song, my Zelda song. Yeah, we're working on this, and blah blah blah. So now we can open up another one and have, let's say I'm editing a video on this one. So we can open up Sony Vegas. All this basically does is save different layouts for your windows. I mean, that's all you really need to know. And you can see all your open windows that are currently open. So now they're all forced onto one desktop, so you can close them out as you please. Oh, what have I done? So yeah, that's pretty much the main premise of Windows 10. It's a very nice upgrade. I really would recommend it as soon as you can. Just be wary of compatibility issues, because I did notice there was 1 or 2 programs that I have that had some compatibility issues, but they were just programs that weren't really, they're not really like well kept. But this is actually pretty compatible. It just updates a lot. So yeah, this has been a look at Windows 10. You've got like all the same. It's like a mixture of Windows, it's a hybrid of Windows 8 and Windows 7. All the good from Windows 8, keeping the base of Windows 7. So I mean, that's pretty much all there really is for now. You would just access the settings from here. Not sure what all the Connect stuff does here, but Note. Oh, OneNote. It's probably like, yeah, reminders, and then like Google, like it'll pop up little reminders in the notifications. take a note. So, yeah, that's that. I mean, I recommend you upgrading. You can either upgrade through the Windows Update Center, or if you don't want to do that, if it doesn't pop up for you, you can always search up the Windows 10 ISO file, and you can download that, and then use the setup from that, and it should install for you. So, thanks for watching and everything, and I will see you guys later in a new Watch Dogs video, or Minecraft video, or something else. I haven't decided what's gonna come up next. So, I don't know. Just see you guys. Yeah.